Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. We are crazy. Today is 31st Eve, and we are going for a party in this car. And my baby is sitting inside. Hello.
Hi.
It's not visible. Can you on the lights? Okay. Yeah.
Come
She's
inside.
looking ravishing.
Hi guys
And welcome back to our channel. We are crazy.
And if you guys are new to our channel, I'm Mandru.
And I'm Rushabh.
And
together we are crazy.
crazy.
Oh, we are crazy, baby.
And first of all, a very happy New Year to all
everybody.
of y'all. May all have a fantastic New Year.
Happy New Year. We are crazy fam.
Yes. So right now we are here to celebrate the New Year's Eve at the Dow
fun.
Cruise.
I don't
That's
know.
our cruise.
Yeah, the blue one, it is shining.
Yes.
We'll give you a proper montage of it. It's
Yes.
amazing. I mean, from the looks, you can see there are flowers and everything over there. It looks
Yes.
amazing.
And as always, we decided to take you guys along with us.
And for the record, this was a surprise planned from my baby.
Yes.
Superb. I don't know how she found it, and she
Yeah.
actually swiped my card also.
Yeah.
Jabber she is,
I
but
knew
it's
you would love
good.
it, yeah.
But it's gonna be the best New Year's. Like it's the
One sec.
first New Year. Arey,
Sorry, my mask fell down. Yeah, so you
It's
sorry.
the
continue.
first New Year after our second
Second
New Year after our marriage.
and in Dubai.
Yeah, in Dubai. So, let's
just
see.
have a look at what I'm wearing.
She's
and
looking stunning, guys. Stunning.
And I'll give you all a view of how he's looking.
I'm normal. Not so
No,
great,
you look
but sober.
Anyways, there are a lot of people coming, so I think we should rush to get a good place.
Good place.
It looks so fab. Balloons and everything.
We are walking towards the cruise right now, and
you can see Dubai Eye over there.
Dubai Eye over there, and there's some party over there as well, and already so many people are there. Yeah, hopefully we get some good seats from where we can show you the fireworks of ta 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 ta. You will see it. So there's one person who is going to assist us for our table, and a window seat. Oh, you have given my name, baby.
Yeah, of course, your credit card. So we are waiting for the cruise to sail.
And still we are so excited. I don't know why, but we are excited.
No, we have so much ahead to do.
No, figure skating, but hopefully, you know, it should sail a little bit now because it is past 10 o'clock and it was about to leave by 10.
It's
So
exactly 10:15
right now
in Dubai.
yeah.
So, dude, only 15 minutes to go for New Year's in India. Oh my god.
Happy New Year to the people who are viewing in India.
Love you all. And so yeah, we are just waiting. We were given a welcome drink and
some samosa
and spring rolls.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah.
But it was very cold. It was not warm, but it was good. Yeah.
So anyways, we are excited. Let's see what happens. And
Hope for the best.
we'll update you guys once the cruise starts.
See you.
Around 10:30, the crew started sailing, and Meda and I were having fun, chit-chatting, and just enjoying the view. It was so beautiful. We've tried our best to record as much as we can and share it with you guys. So we hope that you guys have fun watching the video. Around 11:15, the buffet had started, and this was the salad counter. There was a large variety of salad, hummus, pita, and fruit salad, and all of that. There was yogurt and jelly also, and I was just able to record this because there was a huge line and so much crowd. But this is our plate. There was really limited item in veg plus gen, so but we were prepared for it. So we had carried some homemade cucumber and cheese sandwiches, so that saved our day, along with of course some cheeselings.
Gasolina, kanaman gasolina, berbangkar gasolina.
2 minutes until New Year. Can't believe it. And also that's the Dubai Eye behind me.
person called my baby and she's going to do. Oh my god, man. Superb. Woo! Lights off, lights off.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was it for our video.
We hope you guys enjoyed watching the video.
We enjoyed thoroughly the whole cruise experience and all thanks to my baby.
Thank you. And thanks for your money.
That is fine, money is nothing.
And it's getting really cold now.
Yeah.
I was wearing Carol's
My
jacket.
jacket.
Yeah. I stole his jacket like always. So anyways guys, if you like today's video,
Then hit the like button, share it with your friends and family.
and
Subscribe to the channel. We are crazy. Bye bye.